Righto guys, you ready to rock?
Do it.
Let's do it. I like this one, it's nice and sandy. You almost went half up. Me too actually. Oh, trying to send it past him in the water. Nice. Definitely sucks more going down. Oh. I reckon they would have been peaking then. Here we are walking down to Red Rock Gorge.
That way.
Yeah, follow that guy in front. Oh, have a look at that, will ya? Red Rock Gorge. I can't see shit because they're all in the way. I wouldn't turn around too much. Alright, here we go, we got some hills. This looks sketchy. Oh fucking Jesus. Oh Jesus, that was a big rock. Fuck yeah, I was going hard. There was that one section, all four were like bunched up real tight. That was good.
Yeah.
The video.
I was just saying when you went left, then all of a sudden there's another bike just flew.
Yeah, I got it all on camera. I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap. It doesn't look too bad.
Thick hill, holy.
Yeah.
I think it's harder on this side.
Yay.
Yeah, oh that's right, I remember coming up that.
Fuck, I friggin'...
No, I'm alright.
Yeah, that's gonna hurt. You can move it alright?
Yeah. How long is this place?
Oh yeah, it's gonna hurt.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna feel that tomorrow.
Glowy went gutter up.
You went gutter up. Have a look at that, beautiful spot. We've even got a picnic table. I'm going to wait here. Yeah, that's nice.
What do you reckon? Started day 2. How you feeling?
Good. Got coffee, half a bottle of scotch last night, and yeah, feeling pretty good.
Nice. What about Glowy over here?
Feeling good, mate. Knees a bit tender, but that ain't gonna stop me.
Nice. 15 hours of sleep.
15
On
hours
the,
of sleep, mate.
We'll bust it up.
Let's get it done.
What about over here? How are we feeling today?
I feel less good after half a bottle of scotch last night, but yes, all things considered.
As you can tell, we drank a bottle of scotch.
The bikes, getting geared up, ready for battle.
I feel like it would have been nice to warm up a little bit before hitting this, but washouts, steep uneven descent, and slippery rocks ahead. This is where it gets serious. Warning, warning, warning. Yeah, coming out of this is going to be, oh shit. So yeah, that's the hill climb to try and get back up.
Yeah, it was pretty freaking rowdy. I'm glad you went first, but I saw you slipped on that first bit.
Yeah, the whole front end just washed out, and I was like, oh shit.
I reckon if I was going...
Righto, I'm coming up. See if I can't make a mess of this. You're in a good spot. Righto, let's see how we go. I made that look way harder last time. Up on top of the world. I just got wire cord around my bike, so I had to stop. Haha, you crashed. Yeah, I'm good. Oh. Oh, he's getting it up. Oh, it didn't even stall. Hey, he's made it! I got the camera on. Oh, I should have done that.
Alright, so we just stopped here at Tenterfield to resupply. And over here, what do we see?
We got the essentials.
Alright, there's the essentials right there.
But you don't want to be carrying big glass bottles with you.
No, glass bottles in the bush on a bike is no good.
So realise sacrificing our water is worth it.
Oh, this is a hard cut.
Bloody beautiful.
Well done.
I didn't think they made this many sidecars. Well, if you look up at the sky, I think that's what's coming. It's starting to rain. We're set up. At least the fire's going now. Hopefully I don't wake up in a puddle. Alrighty, Alrock Adventures, we've made it to Kurilla campgrounds. Nice little gorge. Sick.
Nice little spot to end the trip, that's for sure.
Rock on.
Time for a jump.
Oh yeah.
This is the waterfall jump, take one.
Oh yeah.
Two, one, jump! Sack whack! Alright, ready when you are. Okay. Welcome back to Queensland. Well, we made it. Alrock Adventures, South East Queensland tour number 1 done. Nice one, gentlemen.
Thank you, Alrock.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.